If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Here is my calendar planned for January 2021. It's Boxing Day, everyone. It is the day after Christmas, and I'm practicing what I preach, and I'm jumping right back into it. If you enjoyed the holidays, don't stress yourself out. Now in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to get back on track after the Christmas holidays. Being on a weight loss journey or on a healthy lifestyle routine, during the holidays, it can be a little bit stressful. I know the holidays have been my point of failure in the past. When I first lost 60 pounds, I ended up losing all of my momentum when Christmas came around. The year following the Christmas of 2018, I ended up putting on 30 pounds after working so hard to lose 60 pounds in about 6 months. So I know how Christmas can be a bit of a struggle for anyone on a weight loss journey, but it doesn't have to be like that. So rule number 1, in order to get ready, you gotta stay ready. What I mean by that is that you gotta continue on this journey in some aspect. You can give up nutrition for a few days. You can give up workouts for a few days. Try not to give up both. At least try to stay active in some form, whether it be doing 1 hour of low impact exercise like walking or continuing on with your routine. Make sure you hang tight through the rest of the video as I'll be sharing you tips and tricks along the way as to how I survived last year's Christmas and how I am going to survive this year's Christmas. Anyway, I'm gonna get in a workout. Make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscription button if you haven't already done so, and let's get it going. We are going to continue to end this year on a strong note. Let's jump into the workout.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
That workout was a pyramid core workout. A pyramid of 12, then to 9, then to 6, then to 3, then to 6, then to 9, then to 12. I believe that's 7 sets. Yes, it is. Holy smokes. 400 calories in 40 minutes. My watch is still going, so, because I gotta cool down, but I was not expecting to burn that much calories, but Marcella knows what she's doing. In order to remain ready, you gotta stay ready. This is what I mean.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Merry Christmas, everyone, or Merry Sharkmas, or Merry Bliftmas. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Now, this is my Christmas Day workout. I work out because I enjoy it. This is a lifestyle for me. And what is fitness without making it fun? Honestly, guys, on this journey, if you enjoyed the holidays, don't stress yourself out. It is okay. The worst thing you can do to yourself right now is to beat yourself up for having a few or a lot of Christmas goodies. I'm speaking from experience because when I messed up that one Christmas, I beat myself up to the point where I completely gave up on my weight loss journey and I put on 30 pounds. I promise you, a week of indulging will not ruin your progress. Here is a photo of me from this morning, and it's been a while since I've been able to post a photo of my midriff. and feel confident. And that shows me that the hard work is still paying off. And that photo was taken after I had chocolate and some goodies for breakfast. But it's okay. It will not impede your progress. All you gotta do is jump back into it the next day. Don't wait until the new year, because that's what I told myself. The new year came and nothing happened. I ended up putting on weight. So you got this. Don't beat yourself up, and know that you're strong enough to make it happen. So if you're watching this video right now and you're feeling guilty, stop that. Give yourself some love and focus on your goals and jump back into it as soon as possible. Anyway, let's get into this Christmas Day workout. It's Boxing Day, everyone. It is the day after Christmas, and I'm practicing what I preach, and I'm jumping right back into it. I woke up this morning. As soon as I can, I got outside. The sun doesn't rise until 8:30 here, and I told myself we're gonna start this day off with 10,000 steps, regardless of the weather. We just got a dumping of 40 centimeters of snow overnight on Monday. It is now Saturday, and we're getting more snow. But regardless of the conditions, I am going to get this walk done. Santa was good to me and got me a new coat, same color as my old coat, but it is longer in order for me to handle these conditions. So throughout this video, guys, I'm practicing what I preach. I'm showing you guys the steps I'm doing to get back on track after the holidays. The best thing you can do is start the next morning. Mornings are so powerful in terms of habit forming. It is when our brain is the most active. It's when all of those habit forming psychological hacks are the strongest, is right in the morning and right before bed. So let's get it done. After this walk, I am gonna take you guys to the grocery store, and we are going to go meal prepping. Remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So it's all about setting yourself up for success. Don't weigh yourself. I am avoiding the scale at all costs. We know it went up, so what's the point of making you feel upset by just going on the scale? I'm avoiding the scale, and I'm focusing on the process, which is why the first thing I did was get up, put my coat on, and get in these 10,000 steps, regardless of the snow. Anyway, guys, I will see you at the grocery store. My bedroom has turned into a gym. Why? Because of this guy, my pull-up bar. Can't work out in my living room without a door. Anyway, today's workout was pretty intense. I managed to do a few pull-ups with the chin-up assist, and I was able to do, I forget what this move's called, but I'll show you here, but I was able to do 10 of those in a row. So I feel like I am getting stronger. Anyway, I'm here to drop another tip on how to get back on track after the Christmas holidays. As you guys know, I'm sharing these tips as I am doing them because I want to be able to show you that it can be done with persistence, self-belief, and the right planning. Speaking of planning, that is my next tip. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What do I mean by this? Create a plan. And when I say create a plan, I don't mean writing things down without any purpose or intention. Be intentional about your plan. Write it down step by step of how you are going to do it. Have your plan written down in calendar form. I learned this little psychological hack from Charles Duhigg's The Power of Habit. In the first few chapters of the book, he talks about someone on a weight loss journey. And he basically said that people who track their progress using a calendar are more likely to succeed. Why is that? Because you are visually seeing your progress. When you work through your goals day by day and then you cross out those goals, it builds your self-confidence. It builds momentum. It builds self-belief. I'm going to show you guys my calendar for what I had planned out in January. Here is my calendar planned for January 2021. I actually started the calendar on Sunday, December 27th, because why not? There was room for it, and I just really wanted to get into the habit. I wasn't gonna wait until New Year's to start my routine. I'm just gonna jump back into it as soon as possible. So here's my calendar. It's color coded. I've got rest days highlighted. I've got active recovery days highlighted. I've got my workouts highlighted, as you can see in black. Those are my workouts planned for that day. I've got my nutrition on here highlighted, as you can see there. It says keto. I'll dive more into that later. I am not going on ketosis permanently. This is just a therapeutic tool to help heal my body. I'll dive more into the keto and the fasting plan I had for January later. The goal isn't to stay on keto forever. This is just a therapeutic tool I'm using only for the month of January, and I'm not even gonna be in keto for every day of the week. I am switching in and out of it. My goal is not ketosis. My goal is to reduce my insulin levels, therefore reducing insulin resistance. I've been learning a lot about the role of insulin lately, and there is something to it. Again, thanks to YouTube, thanks to podcasts, I'm learning so much about this journey. And long story short, but insulin plays a role in a lot of things in our lives, more than people realize. It plays a role in PCOS. It has a major role to play in chronic inflammatory pain, which I struggle with. It has a major role to play in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which I have. And it also plays a role in weight loss, which I'm trying to do. So there's so much about insulin. Anyway, more about that later. We'll dive into that in another video. And the final tip I'm gonna share with you is the power of the mornings. I did touch on this earlier in my walk, but I'm gonna elaborate on it a little bit more. The first couple hours of the morning is when your mind is in its top shape. That is the time when you want to start putting in your habits. That's when you want to start implementing things. I highly recommend doing things like journaling, goal setting every morning, because when you visualize that, you are training your subconscious to work towards that. 99.9% of the things we do is run by our subconscious, and that is the power of implementing a routine in the morning. I find that when I work out first thing in the morning, I tend to be on point with my journey. It's when I see the most results. So that is one of the biggest tips I can give to you. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please smash the like button if you did. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button as I upload videos weekly documenting my weight loss journey. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful New Year's Eve celebration. Everyone stay safe, and thank God we are putting 2020 behind us. Now, let's make it happen in 2021. The work doesn't stop. See you guys in the new year.